The crypto market just witnessed a massive $500 million wipeout in a single day as Bitcoin plunged to $76,000. But while retail investors are selling in absolute panic, two massive things just happened in Washington. The Senate Banking Committee officially advanced the landmark Clarity Act, and Michael Saylor just bought another $2 billion worth of BTC. Let's look at the liquidation heat map to see where the whales are trap setting next. You need to watch this immediately. Whales are orchestrating a massive liquidity hunt, and millions of dollars are about to be completely wiped out. We are looking directly at the live CoinGlass liquidation heat map, and the data is flashing a massive warning sign. Look closely at where the cursor is pointing right now. Look at this massive, bright yellow band sitting perfectly between the $75,500 and $76,000 range. As we hover over this pocket, you can see an astronomical $142 million in leverage liquidation sitting here. This proves that retail traders are heavily longing this market, and the whales have a massive financial incentive to push the price down to sweep this entire pool of money. While the entire crypto market is focusing strictly on day-to-day price charts, the real institutional moves are being revealed right here inside the CoinGlass open interest data. If we look closely at the global exchange BTC open interest chart, you can clearly track how the smart money has been aggressively accumulating and shifting leverage over the past several months. Watch the cursor as we scan across these massive macro peaks, where open interest spiked dramatically, signaling that major institutional players were stacking heavy derivative positions right before sudden market expansions. As the pointer moves closer to our current time frame, near the $80,000 range, you can witness a significant localized contraction in the open contracts. This isn't just retail panic. This is a highly synchronized capital rotation as top-tier exchanges like Binance witness massive positions being settled or forced out. The historical data shifting below on the Binance BTC open interest window confirms that every single time we see this exact pattern of open contracts cooling off while macro interest stays elevated, a massive volatility explosion is just around the corner. The whales are quietly resetting the board for the next historic price expansion. See, behind the scenes, a historic shift is taking place in crypto regulation and digital asset adoption that could completely rewrite our financial system. Looking closely at this official post by Cointelegraph on Platform X, President Donald Trump has ordered a major overhaul of the government's approach to digital assets and regulatory frameworks. The primary goal of this draft is to seamlessly integrate digital currencies with traditional banking and payment mechanisms, enhancing financial freedom and access for all Americans. The highlighted text clearly implies a strong push to reduce unnecessary regulatory barriers, promote blockchain innovation, and ensure the United States maintains its leadership in the global financial market. Adding massive institutional weight to this regulatory shift, fresh rumors are simultaneously emerging regarding Morgan Stanley gearing up for a potential Solana ETF spot filing. Top-tier financial institutions are moving incredibly fast to establish infrastructure for mainstream crypto integration. We can see President Donald Trump has just ordered a massive, historic overhaul of the United States digital asset policy. This official draft reveals a strategic push to eliminate unnecessary regulatory barriers, giving blockchain innovation the ultimate green light. The main objective here is clear: seamlessly integrating digital currencies with traditional banking and payment mechanisms to maximize financial freedom for all Americans. This isn't just a policy update. It's a calculated move to secure America's dominance in the global financial market before the rest of the world catches up. The institutional landscape is changing forever, and the smart money is already positioning itself. Based on Trump's statement, major capital injection happened. $240 billion had just been pumped into the U.S. stock market at open. With tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, and Google leading the green wave, the market momentum is absolutely surging. Watch these movements closely, as this massive liquidity shift often signals the next big move for broader markets. Subscribe to the Daily Ledger for real-time updates on where this money is flowing.